villages in Newton. They're all different. It's pretty nice.
It's a very tight-knit community.
The town of Wayland is really a small town, really focused on a small community.
I feel like my kids, they know everybody at the grocery store, they know everybody at the bank, they know everybody at the post office.
Each village has its own little personality.
At the heart of it all, the Village Bank, celebrating its 100th anniversary in the community and continuing its original mission to help local residents and businesses meet their financial goals and to help build a better community.
It was a sound business decision that we had made. We knew that the philosophies were identical, both from a business standpoint and from a community standpoint.
We were able to stay as community-oriented bank, and Opendale was the right match.
With the combined organization, we just felt that we would have the greater resources to be able to compete with the big banks in the area.
So when I heard that the Auburndale Cooperative Bank was going to merge with another bank, and it was another local bank, I didn't have any fears at all because I knew that Auburndale Cooperative had fantastic leadership, and if they felt that it was good for their institution, that I trusted Ken Brennan and that team to really put together something that would work for the community.
If Kenny or Al would tell me something, I believe it. I can trust them because never once was I disappointed with the Village Bank.
So I think that combining the both of those banks has been a plus for businesses, for the community.
Community banking continues with a new name and a commitment stronger than ever.
My definition of a community bank is a bank that is dedicated in every sense of the word to the villages in which they operate.
I decided to go with the Village Bank because I thought it was really important to participate and contribute and be part of the community.
I feel the Village Bank is a community bank and it's helping me and my family to do a better job with our money.
I think people still do want to do banking with their local community bank because when they go in, they want to be greeted by name. They want to be treated as someone special.
Of course, personal service has always been a hallmark of the Village Bank.
I especially like the fact that when I go in, people know my name and they talk to me about the organization, about the work that I do.
To me, the Village Bank is a friend. I mean, there's always been somebody here who could take care of things when I needed them. From wherever I am in the world, I can call and say I need something, and it's just great.
To me, the Village Bank is a true old-fashioned community bank. You can walk in and the bank manager knows your name.
I would have to say that the Village Bank for me is it's a personalized, very personalized relationship.
The main focus is really to care for your customers.
Local businesses have a friend in the village, too.
The Village Bank has been part of the Chamber of Commerce for over 50 years. They've been great sponsors.
Being a small business owner, I mean, there's just not enough hours in the day to get everything done. And that's the Village Bank. They're efficient, effective. They just do everything right.
For my business, the Village Bank is great. They're there when we need them. They're consistent. The staff is fantastic. They're willing to go the extra mile.
They actually know your business. They know you. The people at the Village Bank are part of the same community.
I think that the Village Bank makes life very easy for business. They work with you, which is key.
There's always a connection between a community organization like the Village Bank and all businesses within our community.
The Village Bank has a long tradition of supporting nonprofit organizations. Since the merger, the bank has donated over $1 million in the community.
The one word that is in the Village Bank's vocabulary when you ask them for something is the word yes.
The community really benefits in the nonprofit sector through what they've given to the community.
To me, the Village Bank is really a strong member of the community. It supports not only the New Philharmonia, but many other organizations in the area.
The Village Bank have been huge supporters of this YMCA. Not only with the money that they have donated, but also their participation with people.
They are a hands-on bank when it comes to doing good for the community.
To me, the Village Bank is a crucial and necessary partner. Without them, it would be much more difficult for us to obtain the funding that we get from the city, and sometimes, frankly, other financial institutions as well.
When we started the fundraising for the pool in 2008, they were really one of the first corporate folks that we spoke to, and almost immediately they stepped up with a significant donation.
The Shillelagh Shuffle is a 3K road race, and most years we have 1,500 to 1,700 people.
The road race is for the Newton Special Needs athletes. The Village Bank, they not only donate a lot of money to the event, but they support us with people, so it's fantastic.
The Village Bank is our key sponsor, and having them brings other people in that want to trail right behind them.
It is far beyond the dollar amounts that they contribute. What they do with a little bit of love as well.
The Village Bank, looking forward to another century of service to the community.
I view Village Bank as one of the community builders. Their work with the community helped transform Newton from a city of strangers into a community of neighbors.
I think the Village Bank understands what the real fabric of the city of Newton is. I think Village Bank really gets it as to what really enriches a community.
The Village Bank has sort of a small, old-time feel, and the town of Wayland is really a small town, really focused on a small community, and I just think it's a good fit.
It's a great community bank, and the service they give me, it's the same service they give to all the other businesses, all the other people in the community. It's a relationship. It's like, a member of the family, really, that you can go and say, this is what I need, you got it.
First of all, by helping us to create affordable housing, they are creating a better community.
The Village Bank builds a better community by being active participants in all sorts of nonprofits within this community.
The Village Bank is all about community. It's all about getting to know the individual customer, and that's what I love about them.
What we're looking to do is to give back and to make the community more successful and a better place to live on a day-to-day basis. Your village, your bank. The Village Bank.